Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a balloon-time helium tank. First, place your helium tank on a sturdy, level surface. Next, find the inflation nozzle, which is usually stored on the tank itself. Carefully screw the nozzle onto the tank's valve, turning it clockwise until it feels secure and snug. This ensures a tight seal, preventing any helium from escaping before you begin inflating your balloons. You are now ready for the next step. Now, let's get those balloons ready for inflation. Take an uninflated balloon and carefully slide its neck over the black nozzle. It is important to create a snug fit to prevent helium leakage. Hold the balloon firmly around the nozzle with one hand. This secure grip will help maintain the seal and ensure efficient inflation. You are almost ready to fill your first balloon with buoyant helium. With the balloon securely attached, it is time to inflate. Gently press down on the nozzle to begin releasing helium into your balloon. Watch as it expands and inflate it to your desired size. Be careful not to overfill, as this can cause the balloon to burst. Once the balloon reaches the perfect size, simply release the pressure on the nozzle to stop the helium flow. You will hear the gas stop flowing. After inflation, carefully pinch the neck of the balloon tightly, right below the nozzle, to prevent any helium from escaping. Then, while maintaining that tight grip, tie a secure knot in the balloon's neck. This will seal the helium inside, keeping your balloon afloat for hours. If you wish, you can now attach a ribbon or string for decoration or to anchor your balloon. Enjoy your perfectly inflated balloons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.